I work safely because it protects every member of our team and ensures we all return home at the end of the day in the same condition we arrived.
I work safely because at the end of the day, I want to go home to my family and my 2 girls.
I work safely because someone I love is waiting at home for me.
I work safely because I want to make it home to my wife and furry children.